Do you got what it takes to roll the dice?
Welcome to Las Vegas Dermatology. I'm Dr. H.L. Greenberg, a Board Certified Dermatologist and the founder of Las Vegas Dermatology.
Being a jerk.
I don't know, you want me to give you the syringe, have you inject yourself?
No. Right.
Nicolette, welcome back to the clinic.
Thank you so much. I'm happy to be here.
This laser is perfect for what you have. Using a more aggressive setting is going to get us a better result. I mean, you're young, you're attractive, you have a little bit of dilation into your pores, and you had some slight acne scarring. And this laser is perfect for what you have. Vegas Derm Bros is me, Dr. H.L. Greenberg, and Dr. David Cotter.
All right, Lawrence, how's your leg been since your last treatment? Minimizing the amount of hairs within the area where you have friction and contact with your prosthesis, I think is going to help a lot.
I'm Dr. David Cotter, a Board Certified Dermatologist in Las Vegas, Nevada. Vegas is my hometown, and I'm so excited to be part of the Vegas Derm Bros with my buddy H.L. Greenberg.
All right, Lawrence, I'm going to mark out your treatment area today. Okay. Then Haley's going to get you numbed up. Okay. We're going to use a lot of numbing, but if you do feel anything uncomfortable during the procedure, we've got some squeezy balls for you. Just reach down in between your legs and give them a nice big squeeze.
Really? Oh. Hey, my leg, Dr. Cotter, where's my leg?
We've been together for almost a year now.
Hey, Dr. Greenberg.
Hey.
Welcome back.
I came in tonight because I need to get a suit. It's Dr. Cotter's 1-year anniversary with the practice.
You're in luck. We've got a lot. I do think that the polka dot just says something special. It's a Vegas suit.
Yeah. I decided a few years ago that I needed to have somebody help me in the practice of Las Vegas dermatology. I figured I should have somebody who was taller, stronger, better looking, funnier, and a black belt in Taekwondo. Other than that, we're like the same guy. And Dr. Cotter decided that it was fine to join the practice.
Cheers, I love it. This year's been crazy, man. I never would have thought my first year as a doctor outside of residency would be, plagued with the pandemic.
I may have a surprise guest for Dr. Cotter. There's Marianne.
Oh, hey, Marianne. Thanks for coming.
Congratulations.
Oh my God, thank you so much.
Hi, my name is Marianne Tanada. I'm a local fashion designer here in Las Vegas. And today I will be getting a lip filler.
So Marianne has decided to get a second syringe. And what we're going to do is we're going to fill up these filtral columns that she has, add more volume to the bottom. And we'll also line a little bit lower and draw it out more at the base on the left and right side.
Like I see the definition 100%. Now does it affect if like where I press it, or should I be careful about it?
No, it's already laid. So once it's laid, it's played. It's like very Vegas.
Okay.
You know, when you're playing poker, cards are down, you're done. You can't pick them back up, you already put your cards down.
Yeah.
So I'm here with my good friend Randy, who's also my realtor, and with my favorite chef, Chef Teo from Sinatra and Italy. And we're just trying to have a nice day out. Yeah, just try to get a couple on,
Enjoy this beautiful view.
Yes!
There you go. So our next patient is a personal friend of mine. It's actually my mom's fiance, Rick Zeller. It's a funny story. We were swimming over at my mom's house a couple days ago, and he grabbed me and said, "Hey doc, can you take a look at this spot on my arm?" I said, "Yeah, no problem, Rick," but I was a little concerned with it. I wanted him to come into the office where I could check it with special lighting and a special tool called a dermatoscope. Turns out the spot was a squamous cell carcinoma. Squamous cell carcinomas, or SCC, are the second most common type of skin cancer in the world. They're relatively straightforward to treat when they're caught early, like Rick's was. There's a few different treatment options, but the gold standard is to just cut them out and sew them up.
Hey Kim, thanks for coming back in. I guess you're here to follow up with Dr. Greenberg?
Yeah, he did my lips.
I understand you're here today for your lips.
It's just age.
Okay.
In pictures, I noticed that my lips from age are just kind of vanishing a little bit. I don't want duck lips, but I just want to fill them up a little bit so they do show up in pictures.
Oh really? Oh, they look nice. I wasn't sure. I was gonna ask maybe, what happened to the other guy? So what did it feel like?
Does it feel like somebody punched you in the mouth?
No, that's easier actually.
How would it compare to say having your jaw broken in a professional fight?
Well, the adrenaline was much higher, so that didn't feel too bad.
So Dr. Greenberg, doing your lips hurts more than having your jaw broken?
Draining one side hurt more than getting my jaw broken. I'd much rather be punched in the face than
Oh my gosh.
go through that again.
Well, I know you're giving him lessons, right? So maybe you could, give him a little quid pro quo.
Hey. It's called karma.
It's a really good gun, really easy to use. It's super light, it's comfortable. It's basically a scaled down rifle that shoots 9mm. There's crosshairs in there. I want you to put the crosshairs on one of those green barrels. I'll take it off safe. I'll walk behind you. I will tell you you're hot and how many rounds you have to shoot.
God. Yeah.
The same as surgery.
It's just like cutting out a cyst. Same thing. But Vegas Derm Bros is more about what we do in our clinic, Las Vegas Dermatology.
So I came to Las Vegas Dermatology, had a back piece done, and I was always getting teased that there was a mole on her nose. So I said, H, you got to help me out. Came in here, Las Vegas Dermatology, and he says, well, let's see what we could do. We went ahead and we removed the mole off the nose, and wow, it's amazing. It's night and day. It doesn't look like she ever had a mole, and much more conversations are coming on. I couldn't be happier. Thank you, Las Vegas Dermatology.
And we look forward to you learning more about us and our practice.
And together, we're the Vegas Derm Bros.